Hey everybody, we are in Angeles City, Upper Market. Uh, Janice needed to get some clothes, and today is the market. So we're gonna run down there. I'm gonna try to find her. She went ahead before me, so I'm running down. All right, so I picked her up. She found me actually. Um, they have redone all this around the street. So, yeah. Go with the camera here. Everybody's in on it. So, what else do you need to get? A couple of T-shirts. All right, let's see if we can find any. Yeah, every Friday they have this market here, and tons of clothes, tons of things. So after they redid it, I guess the mayor decided he didn't want the tarps and things hanging over the road, and then they opened it for traffic, and in my opinion, it made it even worse. Now you have cars and everything going up and down. All right. So you want to go inside here? All right. You want me to wait here? So, $3 for some T-shirts. Those are too small for you, aren't they? Baby Sane? Oh, he's no baby anymore. He's 5 years old. So in here we got a bunch of shoes. Go outside. All right. You want to go down this way? She's chasing T-shirts and things, so we're gonna go down this way. Is this going down towards the church, I guess? Right. All right, here we go. It doesn't look like much clothes down here. Or is it? Shorts, 50. Square pants. SpongeBob square pants. Okay, so there's a little eatery in there. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, but this fabric doesn't absorb your sweat. So it sticks to your body. It needs to be cotton. Clean cotton. The market is really busy today. Tons of people. All right, we got some fruit back in here too. Oh, mango. When is mango back in season? Yeah, but when is it back in season? Oh, okay. So this is the church exit, I guess. Yeah. Wow. It's absolutely full of people in there today. So there's so many people here today. It's hard to even walk.
Pag kami tumikim ka. Hi.
You want a drink, huh?
Drink something?
Yeah, I think they have Mountain Dew there.
Yeah, you can do.
I like the Mountain Dew. Let's get a Dew. All right, so let's move on. I'm trying to follow Janice here. She's still looking for t-shirts. Hello there. 120. Branded. I don't know about branded, but yeah, that one was nice. Huh? That's a nice motive on it. Ah, yeah, you go. There you go. Hello. Go down this way, right? And try. A lot of kids come here with their hand out, especially when they see a foreigner. But I'm reluctant to bring my wallet out on the street. Huh? Doesn't look like there's a whole lot down here. What about in here? This place? Huh? You got some shirts and some stuff. Anyway, let's move. Here we have t-shirt bargains. No, I don't want any. I got too many t-shirts already.
Just pull out.
Yeah, sure. How much are they?
Ano po dito?
35.
How much? 35? Yeah, get 4 or 5 of them. Yeah, they're all our floor mats are like I don't know. Yeah, no. We'll I like those, but yeah, what do you like? These? These? Yeah, but these are bigger. We need them bigger. How about a couple of these on the door at home? right? So how much are
Oh,
they?
so it's not very.
Oh no, they're not thick.
Yeah.
But
This one.
yeah, okay. Put that. How much are these?
150.
150. Oh, okay, that's good. That's a good price. Yeah. So, uh, you want to take one of those? Yeah. And then we get.
Those. I don't like the. I don't like the clothes for this one.
Okay.
That one is cotton.
Yeah, that's fine.
Three 100.
Okay, take 6 then.
Huh?
Take 6 of them then.
That
200.
one?
Yeah. Just pick out. Pick out what you want.
How about this one?
Yeah, and one of those. That way we can wash up the other one,
Fix na daw yun.
so we don't drag all the dirt in the house.
100.
Yeah. So pick 3 more.
This one is so heavy.
Yeah, well, it's okay.
This is 4.
Yeah, 2 more.
Find more. I have
What kind of design do you want
yeah,
here?
that one. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
It's 5?
that one.
No,
Oh,
that's
that's rose.
this one.
Yeah.
Bathroom mats, 35 pesos, guys. That's pretty cheap. 350, right? So you have to give him 1,000. All right, that's good, and we got us some floor mats. All right. And they're all in there?
Yeah. You can put that one over here. This one for you, it's heavy.
Okay. She wants me to carry the heavy stuff. You got to be careful here with all the traffic. Hello. What do you got? Yeah. Yeah. You want a shot? Hey guys. All right. All right. YouTube. Yeah, thank you. I've been here 5 years though.
It's a free country.
Yeah. Yeah, good. Huh? I'm born in Sweden, lived in the United States for 30 years.
So what's your citizen?
And American and Swedish. And soon to be Filipino.
Wow.
We're gonna try.
Welcome to the Philippines. Let's have a party.
Yeah. Huh? By Coke? How about Emperador? All right. See you guys. All right. Huh?
Are you funny?
Yeah.
Nice guy.
See you guys. No, thank you. We're good. Huh?
Should I buy bra?
Yeah. Buy a bra. If you need to, just go ahead and buy one. So now we're going into the ladies' department. All right. All right. Thank you, guys. let's move up. You want a big plastic bag, huh? Huh? Yeah, people are hollering at you all the time here when you have a camera in your hand.
Alright guys, just a little walk from here in Andoer City. So I hope you enjoy the videos and please subscribe, like and share. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye bye.